Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh. So, my friend, today in this video, I was thinking like I should talk about one word. That word is very, very important in everyone's life. The word is motivation. So, let's talk about the motivation. So, first, what do you think about motivation? Do you think motivation is necessary in every field? Do you think does motivation work in every situation? What do you think about this? So, in my opinion, I would say yes, many time. If you are in a bad condition, if your mood is not good, okay, and if you are a business person, but your business is not growing, okay, we can say me any if you are in a trouble means any kind of family trouble, business trouble, life trouble, health trouble, in every kind of trouble. I think motivation works. Why I'm saying this motivation works because our mind, when we actually listen when we listen motivational story, motivational word, and some famous person's motivational speech, okay, their motivational quote, then our mind click on that point, and we started thinking, if that person if that person can do this, okay, if that person can do this, then why I can't? I'm also a human being, okay, I'm also a human being and I can also do. If poor people, unhealthy people can recover, okay, with the motivational story, with motivational words, okay, because many time in hospitals doctor also, if a patient, okay, in a critical situation, okay, and that patient's actually losing his strength, losing his confidence, okay, then that time motivation work, motivation speech and motivational story. So doctor always that time always tell that time doctor always talk about motivational story and tell that motivational words and quotes to the patient, because our mind, because in we can say like if our mind start thinking negative things, okay, then it will continuously thinking negative, okay, and when you continuously thinking negative, then you will definitely lose your confidence, you will lose your strength, okay. There are many example not about human, in God incarnations like God Ram, God Krishna, God Parshuram. There are lots of example. Okay, so they always, like in our Bhagavad Gita, so many motivational stories, motivational word, motivational quote. Okay, that always motivate us, motivate the people. Okay, so I think that motivational story and motivational word that work like a medicine, definitely that work like a medicine in our, in human's mind. I would say motivational quote and motivational speech and word always work when you are in trouble, when you are losing your strength, losing your confidence, in any situation like in business, health, life, in life, many kind of situations. Okay, so my friend, so at the end of this video I would say, if you are in trouble in any situations, okay, like in bad conditions, if you are getting through in bad situations, okay, then I would say there are so many motivational books, motivational story, okay, like YouTube, so many, okay, and in YouTube there are so many motivational speaker. I always listen I always listen Sadhguru. He's very good person, very good motivational speaker. I always listen to him. And yes, one another is Parimananda Maharaj. That is a guru, very spiritual guru. He's also very good. Always tell true, true. He's not like a he do not he doesn't exaggerate the things. Okay, he always speak truth things. Okay, so I would say you should, if you are in trouble, then always listen some motivational video of a good person, like a good guru who really like you. So at the end of this video, I'm going to end this video, and keep practicing and keep motivated yourself. You will definitely success in one day if you start thinking from here. Don't think from here. Think from here. Take care.